I'm so excited today to take a look at this aluminum foldable lounge chair. Thank you so much to the company for gifting this to me. This lounge chair is completely foldable, so it's really nice because you can fold it up and store it away when you're not using it. And it comes completely assembled, so all you have to do is pull it out of the box, unfold it, and it's ready to go. Some of the things that I really appreciate about this chair is that it has 5 different settings for the backrest. As you can see here, it has this bar here and it has 5 different settings that you can change. So you can sit more upright if you want to read a book, or you can lay fully down if you want to just relax. The material for the chair is really sturdy. It's a nice quality. I love that it's a gray neutral color. So let's fold it up and look at it when it's completely closed. It does have these little red buttons here that you push in, and then you can collapse the legs. And just like that, it's all folded up and ready to put away. The frame is made of a sturdy aluminum, and that's why you can pick it up and move it around because it's lightweight because of the aluminum frame. So if you're looking for a good quality lounge chair, I would definitely check out this one.